Hey guys, welcome back to Worth Guitars. Welcome back to the shop. We're in here this morning doing a bunch of different stuff. Got 3-4 projects going at one time. One of the last things I need to do to this neck for the Lila Celine is put in the side dot markers. And I'm using these side dot markers made by Lumile, which are on back order forever. The black dot and the little green inside there is the glow in the dark portion. I think this is blue though. Pretty sure it is. So I've got the positions laid out, right? Take your time, lay that out. Sharp tool, you know, basic stuff. Get your drill point started in a little hole, right? Using a sharp tool, scratch awl or something to start your hole. Then I found, after doing this a few times, that if you start the drill, depending on the wood itself, especially because some wood has softer portions in it, or it'll try to jump into a grain, your drill bit will try to jump into a softer area, into a softer grain or a piece of grain that makes it skip over, if that makes any sense. And the next thing you know, you've drilled that hole off center of your center line on your fretboard, and you don't want to do that. So a simple trick is to drill backwards first. Now that sounds kind of weird because you're not really cutting anything, but if you drill backwards first, just enough to make the dent in that spot. It's not cutting, but it's making a dish where the drill bit will fit perfectly inside of it. I'll show you what I mean. This hole, for instance, I started it, you know, with the scratch awl at the point where the pencil lines cross, you know, and put a little dent in there with the scratch awl. Then I took the drill bit and went backwards first. Now you see that nice little hole right there, that little cup. Now the drill bit will then fall right into that spot and go straight down. It won't try to travel off. And if you've got a very expensive piece of ebony and you've put all of this work into your fretboard and you go to drill this side dot thing, one of your last things, and it gets off center, it just looks bad, makes you feel bad. It is bad, so we're going to try to avoid that at all times, right? Okay, so just a quick tip, show you what I mean. We'll drill all these backwards first, then we'll come back in and drill them forward the correct way, and you'll see how nice and clean it is. All right, backwards, we'll just do a couple of them. All right, now we'll go back the right way. Boom. Done. Now look how nice and clean all these holes are. Perfectly centered on the edge of the fretboard. No weird stuff going on, right? That's what we're looking for. So, go backwards first and then go the right way. All right? Just a quick tip this morning. I'm going to get back to work. We got a longer video coming up. Thanks so much for watching and thanks so much for subscribing. If you would, please take a second, reach down there and hit the old like button. Share this video too, if you will. And we'll see you around soon. We'll see you out there somewhere. Peace. We love you. Worth Guitars. We'll see you. Bye now.